guys, my name is Tracy. I'm a certified medium with Inner Being Awakened on Facebook. And on YouTube, Soul Tribe channel, I share awakening stories to help in the healing process taking place on the planet.
Hey guys, I'm Oren, a certified personal trainer. You can also look me up on YouTube as Oren King, other known as the Black Beaver.
So today we have a Libido smoothie. It's packed full of bromelain and
amino acids.
And so it's going to really give you that boost that you need to help with your sex drive.
And I'm going to show you a couple exercises, some strength training exercises that's going to shake things up in the bedroom.
Almonds are full of zinc, which raises dopamine levels in the brain that trigger sexual arousal.
Figs carry amino acid, which helps in sexual stamina.
Bananas contain an enzyme called bromelain that helps increase libido and combat impotence. Bananas contain B vitamins, which have been shown to improve mood and increase sexual desire. Bananas offer potassium, a mineral that's critical for the production of hormones. Any hormonal imbalance, particularly low estrogen and low testosterone, can decrease our desire for sex significantly.
Peanut butter is high in monounsaturated fats, which boosts dopamine levels, which boosts sexual pleasure.
Honey gives increased energy to boost your stamina.
1 cup of almond milk.
1/3 cup of figs chopped.
1 banana.
2 teaspoons of peanut butter.
1/4 cup of honey.
1/2 cup of ice. And then blend it up.
Okay guys, we have some strength training exercises for you to do. Strength training exercises is way better than cardio because strength training exercises reduces stress. So any type of resistance training is strength training. So with weights, you can do squat or you can do a bench press. With a body weight, you can do push-ups or pull-ups. And if you want to use the bands, you can use the bands for your glutes and your quads.
There's some other things that you can do, like Ayurvedic yoga, which is known to help with a variety of different sexual dysfunctions, or Kegels.
So Tracy, have you ever done Kegel exercises?
I haven't had anyone say that I needed to. I've only heard like things are pretty tight in that area.
So, okay, it may be tight, but like, how would you do a Kegel exercise?
Don't you like kind of like contract and like kind of like...
You're close, but the best way to know that you're working your Kegel muscles is when you go to the washroom and you gotta pee, you wanna stop and start the flow of your urine.
How do you know so much about this? Isn't it for women?
Well, I'm a sex therapist also. So you can call me at 905-439-9099. I get free consultations.
I didn't know about this. So I really thought Kegels was only for women.
No, Kegels is for guys. So what the Kegel does for the guy, it gives you a stronger erection where you feel all the blood gorging. And also it gives you the control so you don't have any premature ejaculation. And you can control when you want to come and have some good fun.
Oh.
And for the woman, the Kegel is going to keep things nice and tight.
Okay, so basically, if you want to know if you're doing it right, the best way is when you're going pee.
Yes, it's the best way because you're going to isolate those muscles as opposed to like if you do it without peeing, then you're not going to know. But you want to start off, if you're a beginner, that's how you start off. And after you get used to the muscle and the feeling,
Okay.
then you can just do it anytime. You could be at work, you can do it. You can be on the computer, you can do it. You could be cooking, you can do it. You could be driving at a stop sign. Anytime you want to do it, you just do it.
You just do it. Happy healing.
Thank you guys for taking the first step in your health and well-being. And I'm honored that you took your time to watch us. Cheers.
Oh, this is my favorite.
It's yummy.
Save that for other things too.
This is good.